Hello students, very warm welcome back in this channel. Today's topic data type. Data type in Python. Yeah, this is the most important concept. Not only in Python, but also in every programming language. Why? Because by the help of this, we can represent the kinds of value. We can represent different kinds of value. And also determine which types of operation we are to perform over that. किस तरह के ऑपरेशन हम उस वैल्यू पे परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं. ओके, सिंपल सा फंडा है. इफ यू ट्राई टू परचेज एनीथिंग, अगर आप किसी भी चीज को परचेज करने जाते हो तो आई थिंक्स द थिंग्स या द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट विल डेफिनेटली बिलोंग विथ एनी पार्टिकुलर डेटा टाइप. एनी पार्टिकुलर डेटा जो आप थिंग्स को परचेज करने जाते हो, स्वाभाविक है वो ऑब्जेक्ट आपके किसी पार्टिकुलर डेटा से बिलोंग करता है ना. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप किसी मॉल में जाते हो या कहीं विजिट करने जाते हो तो आप एक ही टाइप्स के आइटम को परचेज कर लेते हो. हर एक आइटम का एक डिफरेंट टाइप होता है. ओके, दैट विल डिटरमाइन which types of operation that you try to perform over that. Okay, so data type play the key role in every programming language. Notice over that variable can store data of different types and different types can do different things. Okay, any particular variable can store data जो कि हमारा डिफरेंट टाइप्स के होंगे और हर एक डिफरेंट टाइप्स का जो डेटा है वो डिफरेंट थिंग्स को परफॉर्म करेगा. क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड different types of data type built in by default, and in this category I think commonly there are 8 types of data type. Okay, here I listed Python data type. Okay, yeah, the first data type we can say the text type. Okay, that will represent any string value. We can also say that string data type. Now the next, this is first one. Now the second one, numeric data type. Numeric data type also divided into 3 parts. The first that will represent your integer value, जो कि आपके integer value को represent करेगा. Now the second which will represent your float value, जो कि आपके float value को represent करता है. And now the next complex value. Integer value like 2, 4, 5, 6, any value. Okay, if I talk about a float value हमारा क्या होगा with decimal sign like 0.5, 4.44, 5.25 something. Okay, this is your float value, and this is the mixing of your float and integer are called complex value. जैसे 4j, 4a, 5a, this is what? This is complex integer type. Okay, complex data type. Now the next, the third type is what? Sequence type. Sequence data type, which will also divided into 3 types. The first sequence is what? List. Now the next will what? tuples, and now the last will what? Range. Okay. For list, simple. Here we can type any name, Ram, Roy, Joy. Okay. So this is the example of list. ये हमारा example हुआ list का. But when I talk about a tuple, so tuple को हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? Between the parentheses. Okay. Like apple, banana. So this is what? This is tuple. ये हमारा tuple कहलाएगा. And when I talk about range, so simple. Here I initialize like x equal to range 5. In this case, you may enter 5 element inside this. Now, according to your requirement, you may change this as the list or tuple. Notice over that. Simple. Suppose here I type x equal to range 10. Okay. And print x. Okay. Control S. Now execute this. So now notice over that range 0. This is the starting point and this is the ending point. Okay. It means क्या हुआ कि आप 0 to 10, जैसे अगर मैं इसे लिस्ट में कन्वर्ट कर दूं तो सिंपल हियर आई राइट प्रिंट. मैं क्या प्रिंट करवाना चाह रही हूं? सो 1 to 10 मैं लिस्ट प्रिंट करवाना चाह रही हूं गिवन वेरिएबल्स का. नाउ सेव दिस. नाउ एग्जीक्यूट दिस. सो नाउ यू मे नोटिस दैट आप देख सकते हो कि आपका 0 से लेके 10 तक 9 10 तक आपके डेटा को ये रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ओके. सो दिस इज द लिस्ट. यू मे ऑल्सो कन्वर्ट दिस विथ टपल्स according to your requirement. Okay. So this is the third data type is what? Sequence. And sequence also divided into 3 parts: list, tuples and range. Okay. Now the next data type is what? Number 4 हमारा आ गया मैपिंग. मैपिंग means what? Dictionary. Okay. This is the types of mapping data type. Okay. डिक्शनरी की अगर बात करें तो हम यहाँ पर एक स्टूडेंट्स एज की डिक्शनरी क्रिएट करते हैं. सो फॉर दैट सिंपल हियर आई राइट एज. ओके. equal to any string value like Ram and the age 35 like this. Okay. Now the next one Shyam and the age is 38. Now the next any name Roy and the age 40 like this. Okay. So this is what here this is the key and this is value regarding this key. Okay. ये हमारा value हुआ regarding this key. Simple अगर आप print करवाना चाहते हो so print is and this is the key Ram. Okay. So now in this case this will provide output like 35. ये आपको output देगा 35. लेकिन when you write like print is 1 minute, 35. So in this case, this will provide error message. Okay. For example, यहाँ पे मैंने create किया dictionary for age. So age equal to Ram 30 and Sam equal to 40. Now, when I try to print Ram save, now execute this. So in this case, ये हमारा क्या दिखा रहा है कि वैल्यू 30, display 30, okay, for Ram, okay. But when you write here print is 30, in this case, now execute this, you receive error, okay. So now the next fifth number. Now the next data type is what? Set. Okay. This is also divided into two parts. The first one set and the second one frozen set. Okay. Set को आप कैसे represent करते हो? Within the curly bracket, you may type any string value like any name, Roy, Joy, like this. And you may also type here any integer value. Okay. Now, frozen set की अगर बात की जाए, so we can represent this value within curly bracket like Roy and Joy and wrap this parenthesis. Okay. I will also try to make you understand about all data type after using program. Okay. But in this lecture only, this is the basic overview regarding your data type. So this is the fifth number data type like set. Now the next, the sixth data type is what? Boolean. Okay. Boolean आप जानते ही हो. This will provide output like true and false like this. Okay. Now the next data type, seventh number. Next data type is what? Binary number. Binary data type. Okay. This is also divided into three parts. Like the first one bytes. Now the next one bytes array and memory view. Okay. And now the last data type, 8 number, is none. Okay. So there are 8 types of data type in your Python. Okay. The first one is string data type, text data type. Simple. Here you may type any string value. Numeric data type also divided into 3 parts: integer, float and complex. Now the next sequence data type, this is also divided into 3 parts like list, tuples and range. Now the next mapping data type, like dictionary, this is the mapping data types. Now the next one, set data type. This is also divided into 2 parts, your sets and frozen sets. Now the next 6th number, Boolean data type, 7th binary data type and the last one non-data type. So this is the pictorial representation about data type like text, numeric, sequence, mapping, set, Boolean, binary and none. So there are 8 data type in your Python. Thank you for watching this. If you realize the video is really helpful, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to update it with my content. For detail about each data type, I will discuss with Python code. Thank you for watching this.